This is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about how to get clients on LinkedIn in 2019. There's a billion different ways how you can get clients on LinkedIn. I'm just going to show you like one way. Number one, start creating content that can be text posts, photo posts, video posts, documents or articles, and share about a common problem that most of your clients face on a daily basis. It should be something pain point, and give them an outline of how to solve this, or give them the first step how to get this done. You don't want to give them the entire solution. You just want to highlight to them that it's possible to get something done, to do something about their biggest pain point. Or you want to show them the first step how to get this done, and then an outline. What you want them to get out of this, that they see it's possible to do something, and then you want to see who is replying to you in the comments. You will see that a lot of people who face similar problems will engage in the comments. They have some follow-up questions, or they share how much this resonates with them because they have this pain all the time. So you're gonna find some people engaging in the comments. So not everyone who's in the comment is going to be a lead or hot lead. Not everyone is going to be able to afford your product or services. So you have to then take the comment section and qualify people. You can, for example, reply in the comments and ask them to give you additional information. For example, ask them for their website, or ask them like how this is happening specifically in their business, to give you more information. You're going to see some people are going to reply, some people don't. Of those people who reply and give you the additional information that you need, this will help you to qualify them as a first step to see, is that something you can help them with? Does it look like they can afford to pay for your services and products? And then thirdly, are they like resonating with you? Are they like willing to engage with you? And then if you get those people who are having a pain point that you can help them with, who look at if they would be able to pay and afford your services, and also like willing to take on this conversation further, then you have to take it to the next level. You have to transition from comments to private message. Get them, send them a connection request, see if they accept it, and then have a little private chat via the LinkedIn messaging system, and then you can see if they are willing to take it another step further. For example, getting them on a phone call, or giving you their email address so you can send some additional information. And from that phone call, then you can ask all the remaining questions that you need to qualify them. It's really essential that you qualify them. Don't give them the solution. Make sure that you ask a ton of questions to qualify them. If your presumption that they are having a problem that you can help them with, if it's actually true, if they can actually afford this, you can tell them about how much your service is going to cost. In their case, you can talk about the benefits, you can outline the plan, and then you can take it from there, either meeting in person, sending them a quotation, getting an invoice done, and that's how you get clients on LinkedIn. Let me know in the comments below, how do you get clients on LinkedIn? What do you think of my approach? Have you tried this before in the past? What do you think of my solution? And make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to get more marketing strategy videos like this in your inbox.